Hey guys, beside me here is our long-awaited double stretcher. So this is our Husky 1400. This has been years in the making. We've had thousands of requests from our customers to make a double stretcher to suit the 1400 swag model. We could have come out with one years ago, but we weren't happy with how most stretchers have a bar through the center, and they're also very heavy. So ours is only 16 kilos and it doesn't have the bar through the middle. So it's a lot more comfortable. It's easier to carry around in between camp, throwing it in and out of the car, and it suits our dual 1400 and Bandit 1400 models perfectly. So I'll run you through the features of it. It's super simple to set up and pack up. It's got a few little features like a sunglass holder on the side. It's got pockets underneath. So we've thrown everything we can at this stretcher to make it as light and strong as possible. So the material we use on the stretcher base, it's a super strong material to prevent sag. We've got straps underneath to tighten it so you don't get that bowing in the stretcher. We've got alloy support bars on each side, so there's no rocking, hardly any compared to some other stretchers on the market, and no support bar down the center. Okay, so I'll take you through the process to set up the Husky 1400. Very straightforward, comes in a massive bag, so it's really easy to get in and out of. So you've got the main stretcher components, so this is it here. So just lay that on the ground. And then these are the 4 stabilizer bars. So I'll show you where they go. So on the stretcher, you've got 2 Velcro straps, so just let them go, that, and then that'll just all fall to the ground. And on each end, there's a bar to support the corners, so that just folds around, and then there's just a toggle here to lock it in. So just loosen that off, line it up, lock it in, and then tighten it up. Same on the other side. And then repeat on this end as well. So once you've got those 4 corner pieces in, just extend the stretcher like that and open it up. And then your next step's the same as our Husky 100. You've got the 2 bars at the end, so slide these through the sleeve at each end, and they lock into place just like that. Same on this side. And then last step is the 4 stabilizer bars. So what these do is they lock in just like that, and that stops the stretcher from moving. And then to take up some of the sag out of the stretcher, just lift the sides up. You've got these tensioning straps all the way along on each side and at the front. So once you tighten these up, it makes this a lot tighter and it won't get as much sag in it. So as you can see, this is a dual 1400. It's 2150 long and 1400 wide, and it fits perfectly on the stretcher. Stretcher's 2160 by 1400 wide. These are online on our website right now, so we're going to do a pre-sale on them, so make sure you jump in early and get one before they sell out.